Hi, Bastis. We are here with. Sorry.
No.
विशाल. Okay, I love विशाल. विशाल को मैंने सामने से अप्रोच किया, बोलते मेरे साथ YouTube वीडियो बनाओ, because देखो मैं कभी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को लाती नहीं मेरे चैनल पे, but विशाल, yeah, I don't, because I don't like it, but I feel like Vishal is very fun. I feel like you are very unhinged.
I
like
am
people who are
very unhinged. Yeah, recently I've been really unhinged.
You should be
also.
unhinged because it's like I feel like being cringe is free.
Being cringe is free, and I'm also very chalant. You know what I mean? I have these bitches enough to be nonchalant on the internet, but I don't give a fuck. I give a fuck about everything.
You're like not like me. You're like better than me, but like you know similar. Like you don't care.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I like.
I was just offended. Like we have. I know. I recently discovered that Pakistani girl.
Shot this like 2 weeks back, so yeah, just letting you know.
Pakistani girl that everybody was obsessed with.
Hanya, oh my god, her account got banned.
I know,
Aaj
poor
subah.
thing.
Okay, name one influencer style you would like to rebrand.
Okay, so Avneet Kaur. Who is she?
Okay, so she is this.
See, till 6
See,
months
the
ago,
thing-
I didn't know any Indian content creators. So like,
Okay.
I've learned all these people now.
She's not exactly a content creator.
Say about Avneet, like she's a stylist, she's an actress. मैं मिशाल को ये सब एक दिन में कैसे समझाऊं? Okay, he just knows her Instagram. And by stylist, I meant that she literally has a hashtag style by me in every post of hers. I love her, okay? I'm not even kidding. I just think like her stylist hits her. And yeah, मुझे पता नहीं मैं ऐसे क्यों बात कर रही हूँ टी-शर्ट पकड़ कर.
For me, it's going to be Avneet because I think, listen to me. Avneet, you know, profile, I think she's so cute. She has a good face and everything. I feel like she needs to stop. I think she needs to, wait, you like see her style. Like, you know, the hair makeup in this picture is so good. That was not the outfit.
Her face is giving, but the outfit is not giving.
And all her outfits are like this. Wait, I'll show you the
But she
basic
dresses
way.
very basic.
Wait.
You've done it. Ooh. Okay.
I think she should rebrand herself. Like, she spends so much on the Chanel bags.
Got it.
So I think she should.
I think, let me show you. Okay, so a bunch of these people. Oh my god, did you see those twins at Coachella?
Those are Akriti Kakkar.
Yes,
Sukriti
yes,
Kakkar.
Asu, yeah.
Asu.
Yeah.
Asu is her joint name.
Yeah. Literally, and it made me cry as well. It made me cry. Like,
Oh my god, I cannot believe you know the meaning of Asu.
Shut up! I went to school in Bombay, okay guys? Like I got 94% in my Hindi exam.
5 minute हिंदी है बात. एक sentence हिंदी है
I'm
पूरा
okay,
बोलना.
I'm
Okay,
okay.
okay, talk.
No, what do you mean?
Say anything.
मैं क्या बोलूं? What do I say? What do I say?
It's okay.
See, my parents don't speak Hindi, so how am I supposed to learn Hindi?
You South Indian?
No.
मेरा इतना fucking sorry. I'm like, are you South Indian?
Like what? No, I'm not South Indian.
No, because like South Indian उनको नहीं आती है ना.
हाँ, but I'm Parsi, I'm not South Indian.
अच्छा हाँ तो ठीक है.
Okay,
You
then
can
it's
get
okay. Then I can get away with it. But if I actually had to say, it would be this. The real version.
No,
Victoria's
I
Secret.
think both of them need a rebranding.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
feel like
real.
I'll tell you because they have so much money. I feel like they need to stop with this pose all the time.
You're so right. You're so
Bro,
right.
why the? It's like बंद करो male gaze के लिए चीजें करना.
Everyone is free to wear whatever they want. Like I wear whatever the fuck I want. I am always roaming in corset tops. So I'm not saying like I'm not talking about someone's clothes or anything. I'm just talking about, you know, this has come from person, like how, you know, your entire perspective and your personality gets so much better when you stop doing things for the male gaze. This coming from someone who shifted her energy from the male gaze to the female gaze, because I realized that the male validation in general is in like abundance. Like I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, but it's in abundance.
No, and I also think that like you know who really does things well but not in a male gaze way? Emma Chamberlain's new style.
Yeah.
Emma Chamberlain's new style is not for the male gaze.
I
It's why
agree.
people think
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
weird.
yeah.
But I think it's really cool once you understand.
She
it.
doesn't do anything for the male gaze.
I agree.
I feel Addison Rae also. She does
Stop being-
sexual
yeah,
content
exactly.
in such a female gaze way. People should take notes from her.
Real, valid. Whose style I would change? Sufi Motiwala. I want to put that in. Please put that in. I would immediately change Sufi Motiwala.
Bro, he dresses so badly. He doesn't get to judge anyone.
I think it's really questionable how he like dresses like that, and then he did it, and then he blocked me.
Bro, he
He
can
blocked
block me. I don't give a
He
fuck.
blocked me, and I was like, I defended him in my video, and he blocked me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was so shocked, but I don't care.
Because maybe he sees you as a competition.
It
That
doesn't-
happens. That happens.
There's competition.
Yeah.
It's okay. I don't.
No, not numbers wise, but the thing is, a lot of people can see anyone as a competition. You can be a way smaller in number, but if you have like a very strong personality, you can go ahead.
Fair
That's the thing about personality.
At least I'm not being negative.
The hottest influencer, the girls.
Okay, who's yours?
In my opinion, you know who I find hottest personally? Akshara, you know her.
Oh, yeah.
I find her so hot. I think
Okay.
she looks like a fairy.
Fair enough. Akshara, I think like Subeksha is also
Yeah,
really
yeah,
hot.
both of them.
In boys.
I'm like, Mishan.
Yeah, Mishal.
No, but like I'll tell you, your
Yeah.
skin and everything, your skin, it's nice. Can I say Hailey Bieber's skin?
Stop it!
So you were offended?
No, I love Hailey Bieber.
Okay, yeah, so-
she's such a baddie.
Yeah, so
I
you
tried
have
with
that
glass
full
skin.
glass skin.
I
I
tried,
like your
I
skin.
tried.
Like, if you see yourself like just like a model wise, you're hot.
Thank you. I have a ball.
Please wait, guys, मेरा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. चलो, आप बताओ.
Okay. You just picked me with a cop out. I don't know any influencer, man.
Same.
They're all crazy.
I know. Sanket looks good.
Sangeet does look good. My first idea was like Adi said that.
Adi.
You know, having said that podcast, Adi?
Actually, this guy.
Like, he's
Actually, you
literally-
made.
Yeah, but he's my friend.
Full
Even the
makeup,
other
yeah.
guy who went to Coachella was hot.
MNB? MNB?
No. एक और बड़ी गया था. One day I put him. He's wearing that body plate.
Are that golden body plate?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh. Show your ugliest ex to each other.
Okay, sure.
Oh my god, you will literally puke. No, I have blocked him, but I have a picture. Well, I don't have it. मैं concert में थी और मेरे से बिना पूछे मेरे फैन ने रिकॉर्ड किया था मेरा वीडियो उसके साथ, ठीक है? एंड फिर मैंने मेरे फैन को ब्लॉक कर दिया because I was like मुझे चाहिए नहीं ये वीडियो कहीं भी जाए.
Oh my god, what happened to him? This has got worse.
Bro, I can't show you this. He's so ugly.
I'm so scared. What happened to him?
Same.
You look so dead. Okay, I'm gonna show you, okay? 1, 2, 3. Looks like alien.
Wait. Mine is a darker version. Yours is a fairer one.
Yeah.
Chalo, I thought yours would be like a model and you would be like, oh yeah. Opinions on sex on the first date. No, first date, like if you want to be serious with the guy, then don't do it.
I don't think it's that deep.
I think for the guys, now straight guys, they make
Yeah.
it a fucking big deal.
Really?
Yeah, because then they think of you as accessible.
I've heard of a lot of guys say this. Somebody taught me the term bop recently.
Yeah.
I learned it yesterday.
You don't know that Bob House?
I knew the bop house, but I didn't know that it meant something.
Yeah.
But like, yeah, I learned the term bop recently.
You know, mujhe for the longest time, bop was used like, oh, this song is a bop.
I also thought it was a good
Same.
thing, but apparently it's a
No,
bad
that's
thing.
bad. Most of these guys, they don't go into a relationship with a girl.
I know what you mean. But I think like, it's okay. I don't think
Even
it's
I think it's okay.
It is gonna cut to us making out. No.
How to move on?
You have to process everything about it. Like you have to like talk about it till you get sick of talking about it. Is the way you move on.
That's
if you
what you
don't,
think?
if you don't talk about it, if you keep it inside,
Huh.
you'll pressure cook and make it even worse. You have to go to therapy and talk about it. You'll talk about it to your friends. You'll talk about it to your parents. You'll talk about it to everyone, and then you'll get completely over it, and then they'll come back. Trust me. Trust me.
मैं ही नहीं मानती हूँ. मैं मानती हूँ कि बात ही मत करो इस बारे
No.
में.
Then you will go back to them. That's the problem.
You think I'll go back to him?
You might.
Please, nahi.
I just met you as the
Achha, you did
pop
not
culture
know?
girl. I knew you as a pop culture girl.
Huh.
And then then
But the thing is, I've seen too much Tana Mojo, and the thing is, in India, people don't
No,
like
yeah,
Tana Mojo.
Yeah, I get it. Like, you know, when I made my video last week, I was like, this is like a Tana move. You know, I'm going to tell
Huh.
everything about everyone.
Huh.
And then everybody's like, how can you talk badly about influence? I'm like, fight me, bitch, hit me, bitch. You're never going to
I
understand me,
swear.
bitch. Like, you know,
I agree.
you're a cunt. Okay. Well, I think your video was really funny. Like, I laughed.
Bro,
a
it's
lot.
like fucking, I'm saying that I don't like giving head. What is the
Do
big
you
deal?
still not
in that?
like-
I don't give
You don't ever give.
because I know
Yeah.
that you should give it like when someone has done something very grand for you.
I know a lot of people who say this. I have a really close friend who said the same thing.
Yeah.
Somebody was saying,
What's the most desperate thing that influencers do that give you the ick?
do fake brand deals. Oh my god, it's also the entire like they're all every influencer I've met, almost every influencer I've met has been really fake. Like
Yeah.
they'll come up to you and be like, oh my god, we're best
you calling me
friends."
fake?
No, but you never said that we were best friends. You know, like we met and we just like it's
Yeah,
not that you came
I
up to
know.
me and said, oh my god, I love your videos, we're best friends. Like let's hang out soon.
Yeah,
And they'll
yeah.
ghost you.
Yeah.
Every single time they'll
Yeah.
ghost you. They won't text you back.
Yeah.
Whatever. Every time I've texted you, you text me back. So it's
Yeah.
fine. Yeah. But everybody else I know, fake.
Yeah. So for me, it's like, you know, वो कुछ होता है ना influencers जो आपको अपनी reel भेजेंगे and they'll be like, can you post it? Because
Can
like
you
those
repost and
wannabes,
you like
yeah.
shit like that? Oh.
And I'm like, bitch, shut up.
Exactly.
If I like it, I will like it.
Also, I know influencers that like tag brands and say that they worked with them and they didn't
Yeah, that also I've seen.
all the time.
Yeah, that happens. But like I feel like इतना level पे आज के date में ना everyone knows everyone, so you shouldn't do it.
Like imagine if I like was wearing these Prada glasses and I was like
like-
at Prada #ad. Prada didn't pay me.
Of course.
Like what do you mean?
It's like someone
Yeah,
इसको
imagine-
दिया फिर कोई ना कोई पहुंचेगा वो मेन पर्सन तक इसको
No,
दिया है
Exactly.
I'm like no we never
And
did
it's so embarrassing. To
It
find
is
out.
embarrassing.
And then they copy content also.
I swear.
So
And
desperate.
because like फिर वो प्राडा वाले एक आपको एक नोट भेजेंगे उनका जो स्पेसिफिक होता है जो सिर्फ PR पैकेजेस में मिलता है
Exactly.
इट्स लाइक मी शॉपिंग रोड एंड like oh road send
Send
me a
me
PR
PR package.
They didn't
I know a
send
lot of
me
people who
PR.
did that. I know a
I
lot of people
swear.
who did that. Hashtag road partner. Huh?
Road doesn't
They have
do
a
that
partnership only.
they never do
Exactly.
that like I shop from Skims doesn't send a major PR I can be like Skims hashtag Skims partner am I a Skims partner
I know a lot of skills partners.
yeah that's it that's the questions do you want to ask me
Ooh,
anything
okay, let me ask. I didn't
Okay,
do that.
tell me, what's your first impression of me? Be honest.
Okay,
you
so
can say
your
something.
first impression, my first impression of you was the video.
Hanji.
Was the only problem with living in a city that's not inspired by pop
Pop
culture.
culture, is that?
Yeah. And then my first thought was like, is this chick crazy? I was like, is she crazy? Like, is she like actually crazy? Okay. And then I was like, whatever, it's just rage bait. I thought it was funny. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I met you, and then you were so nice.
Huh.
I was like, I just wanted to get a photo with you. I wanted to caption it inspired by pop culture or something like that. And then you were like, no, let's make a video. And I was like, this bitch is so nice. You know, she's so sweet. So then I was like, she's a sweet
Huh.
girl only. And then you saw my Snapchat, and I was really embarrassed.
Why? So
Because my
funny.
Snapchat is just bait. Like it's just
No,
like
it's
bait.
hi, good morning, snap.
And it's a dog snap. It'll be a shirtless snap, and then
That's
okay. Exactly.
Huh.
But that's how you grow.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it.
No.
I am the
Yeah, no fair.
person who does.
Fair.
I feel like
Yeah.
do whatever the fuck you want.
Exactly.
Who cares?
Exactly. Let me think of questions to ask. I'm gonna scroll through your profile.
Yeah.
I'm
You
gonna
can
ask
you can even roast my profile. I won't
Oh my
mind.
God.
Give straight, unhinged opinions about my profile.
One second. I think you were like if you like started pulling fits, no, and you went
Yeah.
less basic, you started pulling fits. I think your life would change.
And when I wasn't all the luxury clothes and like all
I'm
the
not saying
things-
luxury. I'm not saying luxury at all.
But like fits, you know those high fashion fits now.
Hmm.
Normal girls don't wear it.
But
Even I don't wear it.
Fair enough. I just think like if you pulled a fit once in a while,
I
like if
feel
you
it'll be fun.
gave up the
Yeah.
tube tops for one look, she's wearing a tube top
Tube
right,
top
now.
right now.
Like I also think
Very-
if you did soft girl makeup once, like you put the lashes down for 2 seconds.
How do we do the soft girl makeup? I don't know how to do.
I'll
that.
show you. Like it's
Okay.
very easy. Like you literally like I
Do
want.
you know how to do?
Yeah. Like
Do mine.
You don't,
I won't mind.
You can't wear any powder.
Think.
Yeah.
I'm compact with.
Yeah. Also, I think that if you went all black with your hair, your life would change.
I know I need to go, but
Like
the
if
thing
you
is
were
I
all-
don't like damaging my hair at all. ना मैंने एक बार color कर लिए मेरे बाल, तो वो थोड़े से हो गए.
Like I genuinely think that.
But the black hair, I know I
Oh
had
my god,
black
can you
hair.
make like a vertical video like this where I'm roasting? I'm
Yeah,
me
you
roasting
can
with
make a
Deepak.
roast.
I think that would be really funny. Yeah.
Rating my profile ऐसे करके we can do
चलो,
it.
good idea.
चलो, done
Okay.
besties. That was all for today's video.
Bye.
Bye. See you. ये मैं upload कर दूँगी कल परसों में. Bye.